Imagine you're a freelancer working with clients all over the world. Or maybe you're an online business owner selling your products internationally. How do you efficiently and securely receive payments from your customers, regardless of their location? That's where Airwallex comes in. Ever had a client tell you they can't send you money because their bank doesn't support international transfers? Or maybe you faced high fees and long processing times. These challenges can be frustrating and time-consuming. But with Airwallex, you can say goodbye to these problems. Airwallex is a global financial technology platform that simplifies cross-border payments. It offers a range of services, including multi-currency accounts, global payment solutions, and embedded finance. In this video, we'll focus on how you can easily receive money from your customers using Airwallex. Step 1. Create an Airwallex account. The first step is to sign up for an Airwallex account. It's a simple process that requires basic information like your name, email address, and business details. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Step 2. Set up your multi-currency account. One of the key features of Airwallex is its multi-currency accounts. This allows you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, making it easier to receive payments from customers around the world. You can choose which currencies you want to support based on your business needs. Step 3. Generate your payment links. To receive payments from your customers, you'll need to generate payment links. These links can be customized with your branding and can be sent to your customers via email, social media, or other channels. When a customer clicks on the link, they'll be directed to a secure payment page where they can enter their payment information. Step 4. Receive and manage payments. Once your customer completes the payment, the funds will be deposited into your Airwallex account. You can easily track and manage your payments through the Airwallex dashboard. You can also view your transaction history, download invoices, and reconcile your accounts. Additional features. In addition to the core features we've discussed, Airwallex offers several other benefits, including low transaction fees. Airwallex charges competitive fees for international payments, saving you money. Fast processing times. Payments are typically processed quickly, ensuring you receive your funds in a timely manner. Multiple payment methods. Airwallex supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Integration with popular platforms. Airwallex can be integrated with popular e-commerce platforms, accounting software, and other business tools. Airwallex is a powerful tool for businesses that need to receive payments from customers around the world. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily set up your Airwallex account and start accepting payments. With its low fees, fast processing times, and convenient features, Airwallex can help you streamline your business operations and grow your revenue. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for an Airwallex account today and start experiencing the benefits of seamless cross-border payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.